Hello, Miguel from Grumo here, and I want to show you my latest app, which is called QRFind and allows anyone to print QR codes to find lost items such as luggage, electronics, keychains, for keys if you lose your keys, and pets as well if you lose your pet, which you shouldn't, but it can happen. Things happen. So when things happen, well, before it happens, you go to QRFind and then you create a QR code for all your items that you want to keep track of, and then you print the QR codes. So you just click on any QR code and then you can select a variety of options. And when you click on any of these options, you will be taken to a website called Zazzle with the QR code that once scanned will take you to a contact page. So let me show you how this works. Let's go to my beautiful kitty called Fergus. And we're going to then, let's say that we order the QR tag. So this one, for example. And then all we need to do once we buy it and it gets delivered to us, we will stick it on our amazing pet. And then if the pet gets lost, somebody's going to go, hopefully, with their phone and scan the QR code. So what would happen is the person would grab their phone, click on their camera app, and then scan the QR code. And that will take them to the contact page. Then there is some contact information here to be able to get in touch with me to return Fergus, right? At the same time, this is being geolocated, which means even if the person forgets or doesn't want to contact me, then I would get an email notification with the actual coordinates of the place where the QR code was scanned. Also, inside the app, if we go to the app, we can see now there is a scan 1, and if we go here, we will be able to see where in the world was that scanned, right? And of course, you can create several QR codes. Now, the great thing is that this is a SaaS website. So that means that if people want to use it, well, they can get a free QR code and QR code contact page for free. But if they want to have more, they would need to upgrade to one of these 3 plans. And the plans also include the ability to customize the contact page with a picture, as you saw here, and also to track when somebody scans the QR code. So very useful, right? Like here, you can decide whether you scan it or not. Right now, scan is on for this item. And you could do that for any other type of item that you want to track. For example, a wallet or something like this. Now, this was built just in a couple of days. And basically, it's a fully functional software as a service website where I can monetize the actual subscription to be able to use the website. And also, every time somebody creates and prints and gets delivered one of these QR code tags, I would get an affiliate commission. So I want to give you an example of what you can build in a few days using Glide. I think it's extremely powerful. It's getting more powerful every day. And I mean, it's pretty amazing. So there you go. If you want to print your own QR tags for any of your items, including pets, then just go to qrfind.info and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.